What is happening, boys and girls? This is your captain speaking. And we're at Tablo, dito sa Quezon City. Kasi people have been seeing a lot of videos related to the upcoming DexCon dito naman. Kaya nung inaya kong interview dito, ang sagot ko rin, dito naman. Dito sa favorite place ko, which is the Tablo, dito sa Quezon City. Kilala niyo na to eh. Hindi ko na kailangan din ng introduction dito. Pero itong the most influencer, Mr. David Ravena.
Thank you. Thank you sa invite.
Musta naman, these past few days, kita ko kung paano ka picturing ni Noro Suzuki at saka ni Jake De Leon sa mga promotion nila. Ikaw ba? Kumusta ka naman?
I'm good. Honestly, I'm good. To be honest, I'm missing my Ravenatics already. So everyone here watching this very video, to all those that are messaging the pages, I'm sorry, hindi ako masyado naging active, and that's by design. I needed to prepare. Dito naman, it's very special to me. It's an event that will showcase 3 of the best wrestlers. And I need to live up to that name, that monocle. If I'm going to be influential, I need this match.
Ay, hindi madali ito kasi you'll be facing, sabi mo nga, diba? The King, Minoru Suzuki, and the most decorated man in Philippine wrestling, Jake De Leon. Pero kaya tayo nandito ngayon, I think it's best na we need to put some context into all of this. Kasi dami mong pinagdaanan. Kaya nga, matagal na sa industriya ang tawag kay David Ravena. So we'll be asking him a couple of questions related to this. Sa journey mo as David Ravena, naging God killer, matagal na sa industriya. Can you at least give us some context on tell me about Oro Plata Mata and MSG. Kasi yun yung mga sinauna eh, di ba? Mga sinauna mong mga sinauna mong grupo. What impact did they make to you as David Ravena now?
Okay. At that point in my very career, Mike, I can honestly tell you that I was surrounded by winners. JDL, Main Max, Stan, D, Stan C.
Oh,
diba? All of those great minds pouring into me. Yung mga wisdom nila, a lot of people backstage would kill for that.
of course.
Yeah. And may mga nagsasabi, chamba. Right? That I was just the guy in the right place at the right moment. Those 3 people, those 3 minds, will not waste effort on someone, on a nobody. The plan was very simple back then, to be honest. JDL champion, Main Max the enforcer. When they are done conquering everything, I was supposed to step in. The guy that they've been molding. Alam naman natin na hindi nangyari yun. But what did happen though is, lahat ng learnings ko sa kanila, I was able to apply it on a different aspect of my life. Sige, aminin na natin. Dahil sa mga tinuro nila, ginamit ko lang.
Okay.
And who knew the same concepts, being able to market yourself, allowing people to see how good you are, the value that you have, being able to build your network. The same concepts in wrestling also applies in show business. An argument can be made. The same concept that made JDL champion, apart from his wrestling prowess, those intangibles, the same concepts that when you apply it to show business, you will also succeed. But I owe a lot to Oro Plata Mata. I owe a lot to MSG. I'm not gonna deny it.
Parang you talked about MSG and Oro Plata Mata so compressed na parang makakapag-catch up na yung na yun. And obviously, there are learnings. May mga learnings yung mga yan. With these learnings that you have now, what will it mean ngayon you are now against the DexCon World Championship? What made you think na you're ready for this?
To be honest, I'm not ready. Aminin ko sa'yo, hindi ako ready sa DexCon dito naman. Kasi alam natin, merong point na makikita ng mga tao si JDL in one corner.
Yes.
The most decorated champion in Philippine history.
Yeah.
And then on the other side, finally, in Philippine shores, Minoru Suzuki. Yung halimaw na yun, the king.
The king.
Alright? The crowd will just wonder, bakit may artista doon? David Ravena does not belong here. I'm not ready to make a cameo April 12th. I'm not ready to be seen as a side character. I will not be an anecdote in the biggest match Dexcon will ever have. There are people that believe I can be champion. I don't have the guts. I don't have the luxury of letting them down, of disappointing them. Kaya nga hindi ako masyado naging active sa social media. Basang-basa ko yung gagawin nila eh.
So you're just at that corner enjoying the view.
I'm not enjoying the corner. I'm preparing myself. I know what it takes to beat JDL. The acumen, the pedigree I've garnered in the underground will go toe-to-toe with Minoru Suzuki. And best believe I'm gonna bring that. I'm gonna bring the underground with me that day.
Curious ako kung bakit ngayon mo pinili yung oras na yun. What does the Dexcon World Championship mean to you?
For the longest time,
Oh.
I've been told no.
No.
Yeah. There are a lot of doors that were slammed in my face. Are you good enough? No. Are you championship material? No. Are you even a good actor? No. Are you okay with just leaving this business behind? No. You ask me, why now? What does this championship mean to me? It's my way of saying thank you to those that pieced me back together. I've been humiliated. I've been humbled. All of those, the Ravenatics witnessed in that very ring. But did they give up? No. They were the ones that encouraged me. They're the ones. Sorry medyo emotional yung sagot ko.
Okay.
Bakit ngayon ko lang gustong maging kampiyon para sa kanila? Kasi I never had that before. I had mentors.
Okay.
I had people guiding me. Pero iba ang pagmamahal ng mga Ravenatics.
I can see that. Kita-kita.
Iba yung iba yung lalabas ka, makikita mo sila, and then you're gonna feel, wow, I'm at home. These people deserve my very best. They deserve to see me. Hindi kasi sila sinungaling. Nung kupal ako, they hated me. But when they saw that I can be more, they supported me. And I cannot let them down. They're the reason why I'm aiming for this title now.
Sige, ako satisfied naman ako dun sa sagot na yun. Pero among the people that I think that are not satisfied, si champion, Jake De Leon. I've seen his post every single day. Makikita mo, leading to the upcoming championship. Napaisip tuloy ako Si Ravena ba, wrestler ba talaga yan? O artista lang yan? Ano sagot mo doon?
Wrestler ako. Magaling lang talaga ang universe na yung mga bagay na natutunan ko sa labas ng ring. Kung in-apply ko sa show business, pasok, hindi ko kasalanan yun. Right?
So parang sinasabi mo na hindi mo kasalanan maging artista.
Hindi ko kasalanan yun. Okay? Hindi ko kasalanan, nagkaroon ako ng mga projects, endorsements, movie deals. Lagi nilang sinasabi, hindi na tayo magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. People in that locker room hate me. A lot of the people there believe that I don't belong in the ring anymore. Sanigo thinks I'm a part-timer. Bon, yung kulot, he actually believes that I gave his phone STD. Oh, and then Romeo of all people think that I'm just using wrestling. Na-escape ko lang yun. Nakapagpagod na ako sa shooting ko, pupunta ako ng wrestling ring, magkukumpit ako, pag nanalo ko, chichira ako ng tao, pag hindi ako nanalo, dahil charismatic ako, chichira pa rin nila ako. I belong in that wrestling ring because of each and every Ravenatic that believe. Kahit paulit-ulit ko siyang sasabihin sa'yo, napakasimple lang naman ng argumento ko sa'yo. Merong isang taong insecure, broken, and then they pieced me back together. Diba? Hindi ko sila ginagamit. Sila ang guiding light ko. Diba? Napakasarap na makikita mo sila enjoying Philippine wrestling. And you're one of the reasons why they're there.
I think that's fair na gano'n naman ang sagot mo kasi all this time parang bukod nga naman sa dito naman, I think mas maganda kung sasabihin natin na si David Ravena naman, ako naman.
Mali. April 12, dito naman, tayo naman. Mga Ravenatics naman.
Sabi mo, nawala ka sa medyo nag-hiatus ka ng bahagya eh. Tapos out of nowhere, bigla ka na lang nagkaroon ng promotional video. Doon ba sa time na nag-radio silence ka,
Hmm.
what's going on in your head? Paano mo pinaghahandaan tong laban na to?
I'm going after my mentor. Simple as that. I know why JDL is champion.
Okay.
I know why he does the things he does now. Those constant posts, the math, but I also know how to beat him. What I was preparing for is physically going after Minoru Suzuki. JDL, he fights psychologically. Minoru, different monster altogether. I just need to get ready. I need to get my cardio up, my physicality in order. That's why I went radio silence. Hindi ko kailangan marinig yung mga tao magsasabing saling kit-kit ka lang dito sa Dexcon dito naman. Ako yung pumunta sa ring. Ako yung humamon sa kampiyon. Miguel, throw in a curveball.
Oo.
Yeah. The greatest, most physical wrestler. So you prepare. May natutunan ako sa MSG, saka sa Oro. We will never go to war unprepared. And that's what I'm doing. And it just so happens that for me to do that, I need to exclude myself in all of the negativity, all of the posts.
And lastly, sa final question na to, sinasabi mo to mga bagay na to na dito naman, tayo naman, na you've been looking forward to this. Hinamon mo si JDL, sabi mo, you want to beat them. What's next for David Ravena?
I'm not actually concerned about what's next right now.
Okay.
I'm focused on one thing and one thing only. Not letting my Ravenatics down. Pretty straightforward. I know I'm going into battle. Kaya nga nagtago muna ako eh. Nagpaka-hermit muna ako eh. Alam ko hindi ko matatalo si JDL sa popularity contest. Hindi ko rin matatalo si Minoru Suzuki sa padamihan ng malulupit na matches.
Totoo na.
What brought me to the dance is this and this. This, sharpened by MSG and Oro. This, Ravenatics and Underground, the World Underground. If that's not even enough to beat those two legends, I have every Ravenatic standing in attendance on April 12. They will be my fuel. They will be the reason I become champion.
And with that, paparating na ang Dexcon dito naman. It's gonna be a few days away from this interview. Check it out at dexcon.helixplay.ph. David, please take this opportunity to let the people know what they will be expecting from you this Dexcon dito naman.
April 12, you're gonna see a king, the Philippine Fighting Rooster, and the most influential influencer of Philippine wrestling. Going at it for the most prestigious prize, the Dexcon World Championship. It's gonna be war, and I'm calling every Ravenatic, everyone that brought me here, to be there and celebrate with me. That match is my way of saying thank you. Sa tinagal-tagal ko sa industriya, sa lahat ng kakupalan ko, sa lahat ng pagkakataong nilabanan ko kayo, dapat pala naniwala rin ako sa inyo. Ito ang paraan kong magpasalamat. Magiging kampiyon tayo. Tayo naman. Sa Dexcon dito naman.
And there you have it, folks. Masaya lagi ang interview ng mga pro wrestlers na kagaya mo. Pero special to dahil bukod sa face-to-face na ngayon, dati online lang no?
Bakit ba kasi gusto mo online?
Yung last interview mo online, iba yung naging experience mo. Ito, at least ngayon pinaganda natin. Hindi ko na patatagalin yung oras mo. Maraming salamat, David Ravena. And on behalf of the most influential influencer, check out Dexcon dito naman this coming April 12 at the Broadway Bulusan. Details in the description. For now, this is your Captain Mike signing out. See you on the next Dexcon interview.